understand. They don't 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 understand.
Morning students, sorry to be a nuisance, but I've come to influence and put in more than just my 2 cents. Trace the movements, take it back to the blueprints. For some, this could be too intense, inspired by true events. Who are the sons of God who made it with the daughters of men? I asked my Sunday school teacher, he got mad cause it was smarter than him. Jump on your walkie-talkie, now tell me, can you copy? Children with the Nephilim, their parents with the Anunnaki. Who were the masterminds who designed the Nazca lines? These are only some of the questions I asked myself just to pass the time. It's got me thinking, Empire was pre-inking, probably inspired by the hallucinogens that they were drinking. So as it sinks in, we fit the pieces together nicely. Some say Charles Hapgood's maps could show Antarctica ice free. Trust me, this information could make an afraid dad mad at me regarding ancient technologies like the Baghdad